Yesterday, we advised protesters that they were severely impacting on the lives of people, particularly emergency workers, those who need to attend hospital, and workers. Despite our significant and prolonged engagement, which has included explaining and encouraging protesters to facilitate free movement of traffic, it is clear that some people have significantly escalated an already difficult situation by targeting critical infrastructure such as fuel depots and refineries. These are no longer protests, they are blockades. These blockades are putting at risk supplies of food, fuel, clean water, and animal feed. These are critical for the nation and its people. This is not tolerable, and it is against the law. The willful obstruction of public roads and the movement of vehicles and persons are offenses under various statutes, including the Public Order Act and Road Traffic Acts. As part of our well-established graduated policing response in dealing with protests, and Gardaí is now moving to an enforcement phase in relation to those impacting on critical infrastructure unless they desist and disperse from these blockades. And Gardaí is advising protesters to immediately cease blockades of such critical national infrastructure or face the full rigors of the law.